morning to each of you here, and a warm welcome to the last Monday of a supersonic session. All of you wait with bated breath. We are going to have fun today. It is something where you will have so much of knowledge and you will thank me for it. I'm Rovina Kavadia, Silver Achiever with Velocity Booster for a year now and raring to go. As you are all aware, we are going through various waves of the dreaded C virus. During this period, we have realized the importance of good health, immunity, and of course, building good family ties, close ties. Good immunity will aid us in combating the ill effects of the dreaded C. And as you know, today predictive and preventive healthcare is so important. And that's why we are all here. Velocity Booster. We are doing our genetic code, genetic testing. And today we are here to understand, to live 100 years plus healthy years by understanding your genetic code. So why we are here? Let me just tell you. We are really here to understand how important is health today and how during this pandemic time we can just maybe improve with this preventive and predictive health core and the genetic code which we are going to talk about, and we are going to have our eminent speaker talk about it. We will definitely know what is happening. And while I can see here, we have quite a few new entrants here, new participants. I heartily welcome you all to this really enjoyable session, because I call it enjoyable because the speaker today will make it enjoyable. She is someone who is peppy, and I am a big fan of hers. I would say that. And I would also request you all, as you all know, to make this session really interesting. All of you all would be kept on mute, okay? As far as possible, yes, wherever our speaker would ask you all for some answers, you could reply through the chat. But otherwise, keep your questions with you, and you can keep chatting also, but refrain from advertisements. I mean, anything which advertises the products which you all are doing, or the business which undertaking, the entrepreneurship which you are having. So that is not permitted by our company. Okay. And so at the end of the session, when we all be free to ask as many questions as you can. But why do we waste so much time? Because I don't want to come between me and the speaker. So as you all know, the speaker which we have today, I told you, is someone who is very interested, has had about dedicated 2 decades of service to healthcare industry, to diagnostic industry at various management levels and various hospitals across. I mean, I would say Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad. So she is covering quite a few places in the country. A graduate in life sciences, a PG diploma in medical lab technology, MBA, mental and healthcare, naturopath and acupressure uh, practice. She holds a PhD by research in hospital admin and diploma in holistic health sciences. Active member of a number of NGOs, currently president and permanent representative to the UN International Human Rights Commission. I am already breathless reading all about her. So I would not like to really come between you all. She is a supersonic speaker. I want you to really hear her. I have heard her a number of times, and I would request all of you to put your hands together and welcome this beautiful lady, Dr. Usha Nair. Come on, all of y'all. You can clap, you can wave hands. Usha please welcome. And
Thank
all
you.
of you, please welcome. And I'm enjoying, let's enjoy the session and take as much knowledge as possible from this beautiful lady. Thank you.
Thank you, Rovina ma'am. That was all praises for me. And I don't know if I deserve so much, but very, very warm good morning to all of you, Velocity Booster family, and to all the very special guests, first timers in this very webinar today. It is a privilege to have all of you come here only to listen to me. Well, friends, I am Dr. Usha Nair. I'm from Mumbai. You can see all my qualifications out there. And yes, I very proudly say I am a certified nutrigenomic trained accredited wellness consultant today with Velocity Booster, which is in one of India's premium genetic wellness organization. And why are we here today? Yes, of course, there's a lot to know about genetics. There's something to know about nutrition. There's a lot to know about healthcare, taking care of yourself. But today, I'm basically here to tell you something like, let's think about living 100 plus healthy years by understanding our genetic code, our genes, and our healthcare. Well, this is a disruptive technology in healthcare, and that is precisely why not many of us know about it today. It is a new technology coming to India only about 4 years ago. Velocity Booster is in its fifth year past introducing this technology into the Indian market, and we are very proud to say that very soon we are going to be across 5 countries. We're just waiting for the lockdown to open so that we can travel and we can touch much more lives. Well, friends, I'm not here to tell you too much about what is healthcare, what is genetics, but I will give you a little brief so that you understand what is it that we do, how is it that we can take care of ourselves. And precisely, I'm here to tell you about 3 ways to safeguard yourself health wise. And what would that be? All of us know about the first, that is the curative approach, which I will call as disease management. Once you get a disease, you have some discomfort, you are not able to take it anymore. You will go see your doctors, undergo diagnostic tests, whatever the doctor says, take the beautiful, colorful medicines from time to time. And that is after you have been affected by some disease. The next approach is definitely a preventive approach, which I say many of us, like most of us on this webinar, are aware about. We try to take care of our diet to certain extent. We try to take care of our health care by going for regular health checkups, which you call as annual health checkups or master health checkups. And there you will get your whole body thoroughly examined. It will be height, weight, BMI, CBC test, some blood test, some x-ray, some ECG, some detailed diagnostics test, some vitamins, some minerals. But when we do that every year, why do you think, friends, we need to do it every year? Because the minute, the day, the time you do that test, your reports are valid only for that very minute or time. It may give you a security feeling in your mind that yes, I'm healthy and I can be healthy till my next health checkup next year. But friends, diagnostic tests never help us to understand our future health problems in advance. So where is the guarantee about cure? We do our preventive health checkups, right? But we still have this statistics, the common causes of death, the top 10 deaths in millions world over happening with heart diseases, stroke, with COPD, we call as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, with various other respiratory infections, with simple things like cancers, diabetes mellitus, diarrhea, tuberculosis. It is still happening in spite of our preventive health checkups. And if you closely see the slide, the things that have been parameters that have been marked in brown are precisely also saying that these are to certain extent nutritional conditions. What else further? So what we do today actually with the disease management and the preventive health checkups is more so like we treat the disease, not the symptoms, not the root cause. Well, in spite of all this, we still know what Ayurveda tells us is we have, human beings have a lifespan of 120 years, which they can live as healthy human beings. But what is the world average? The world average is just 73.2 between men and women world over. And with India ranking 135th, the average lifespan of men and women in India is not even 71 complete years. So, what are we talking about? Don't we know this saying, very popular, and all of us know about it right since our childhood moral science classes? Prevention is better than cure. But with Corona, think about it. Isn't prevention cheaper also than cure? But let us still again look into, let us take audit of our own health causes or diseases, or I will say our own challenges today. What is it, our challenges that we face with reference to our health, our body, our lifestyle? It can be poor nutrition, it can be wrong dietary habits, wrong foods, it can be challenges with clean drinking water, environment and air pollution, not in your and my hands, low physical activity, definitely in your and my hands, including adequate sleep. Obesity, overweight are all like spillover, the bonuses that we get in life out of all the parameters above that I mentioned, if we don't take a keen interest in it. Stress, yes, of course, we say stress, meditation karo, it is in our hands, but still there are so many other factors around us which will cause us stress. Addictions, tobacco, alcohol, infections, corona, bacteria, viruses, we just couldn't do anything about it. And last but not the least, use of drugs and chemicals. Once you're sick, you need it, right? So, what is it? What then is the third approach that I'm talking about today? It is purely a proactive approach. Why? For a healthy you and for a happy family. So, what is this entire thing that I'm mentioning to you? Of course, I'm telling you, go and get somebody's unmute. Can you please mute? Omkar, please mute. So we are precisely mentioning about, yes, continue with your preventive health checkups. Yes, continue with your taking care of yourself in whatever way you understand. But I will like to include, please include once in a lifetime DNA report. It is a totally personalized genome patri, as I term it. Why the genome patri? Because when it clubs with your regular health checkups, with your regular parameters that you keep doing from time to time, your blood levels, your height, weight, BMI, your eating habits, sleep, water intake, etc., it will then give you a new picture. We are talking about getting into a new model of healthcare which will be 100% proactive, because by doing your genome patri, by doing your DNA report, you will be able to identify, you will be able to understand what is the little bit of genetic predisposition, or what is the little bit of the root cause of whatever challenges health wise we face today, for which we may be aggressively getting into medical treatment, for which we may be having long term lifestyle disorders and having to tackle them at all levels, physically, mentally, emotionally, work wise, everything. This will give us a aspect of preventive healthcare in our lives. When we know something which is going to be bad for our future, or which is going to be a predisposition, or it is going to be something which is going to affect me health wise in my near or later future, when you know, when you are aware, you can definitely take preventive actions. And this, friends, the DNA report is 100% personalized report. It is like two twins also do not have the same fingerprint. Similarly, it is exactly different whether it is a mother, it is a child, it is a brother, it is a sister, it is parents. Everybody has their own report. And yes, this is the future of healthcare. This is predictive and preventive healthcare of tomorrow. Well, friends, so I invite you on behalf of Velocity Booster to understand how do you unlock your genetic potential. What do you do? Where do you reach? And if I can share this video with you, if you can hear me, if you can hear the video, please let me know. If you can't, I will change the settings. What does Pooja Bedi, a health and healing sciences practitioner for over 2 decades, have to say about this? Let us hear a small video. Is everybody able to hear me? Hear her? Yes? Please
Ma'am,
chat.
you need to share system voice.
You're not able to hear?
No, ma'am.
Okay, hold on. Just give me a second. I have a very personalized video testimonial from Pooja Bedi, and I'd like everybody to listen to it. Is my screen shared?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
You can share the screen normally.
Yeah, I'm doing
And
share
on the
computer
upper right
sound.
side
I'll
corner.
do that. Yeah. In the settings, right? Wait, let me share.
First,
screen
you need to
first.
share the screen.
Yeah. Share sound.
Of introduction and
Can you
summing up
hear?
a total of what I
Yes.
have been doing vis-a-vis my work in films and my work, outside the film industry, which is the world of health and healing sciences, which I've been actively doing for the past 20 years of my life. Firstly, it's wonderful to be in such wonderful company. I have been listening in for the last 20 minutes to people doing their introductions about what they do and where they come from. And I really wish all of you go from strength to strength, because you're all doing wonderful things with your life. Usha, for example, who is from Velocity Sciences, representing it. For me, I love the genome patri, so Janam Patri or Genome Patri. I love that, because at the end of the day, there's so little we know about these other alternative sciences that are coming out to help us, to enable us. Health is truly wealth, right? It's like your car. It's like your body is your car. And if your car is in good shape, you can drive a long distance. But if your car keeps breaking down, and you keep having to take it to the garage to fix it, and, it constantly needs oil checkups and this checkups and that checkups, then, you're slowing down your process and you might not reach your destination. So Velocity Life Sciences, I'm speaking this from personal experience because now Usha's here, and I'm delighted that she's here to share all this with you, because it's actually life-changing to know what can be of an affliction to you and how you can so easily detect it, prepare for it. They say, prevention is better than cure, and you find out what it is that you could possibly inherit, and then you promptly do things to make sure it doesn't trigger in this lifetime, be it heart disease, be it cancers, be it whatever. What is it that you could do vis-a-vis diet and exercise to actually prevent these from triggering in your lifetime? And if it has already been triggered, what can you do to downsize it dramatically and to benefit from knowing what your DNA is doing for you and to your benefit? So well done, Usha. I'm really glad to see you on here. It was a pleasure meeting you at the function earlier this year.
Well, friends, Pooja Bedi has been our brand ambassador, and that was a very, very personal testimonial I got from her just about 2 weeks back. So I thought it was very relevant to share here. If you heard her clearly, prevention is better than cure is what we all were talking about. It is always good to know what can be the right diet, what can be the right exercise, what can be the health risks that we can prevent, and we can prevent it from triggering in our lives. What are we talking about here again is we are talking about a holistic wellness. We are talking about total overall good health. It is not just about not having any disease, but it is about overall feeling happy, healthy, energetic all the time, because precisely wellness is an active process of becoming aware and making choices towards a healthy and fulfilling life. Well, friends, where did all this begin? This precisely began in 1990 with the Human Genome Project. It was a 13-year long research project which worked out and found out for us, helped us understand that genes can be influenced by our food. It is possible to identify genes, what they do for us, and it is precisely possible for us today to crack our genetic code. What do we do by cracking our genetic code? Actually, at birth, when a baby is born, you can know your body. You can know whether the baby can have good health, will have any kind of diseases in future, has any predisposition, whether cancer, diabetes, obesity, asthma, anything and everything can be understood, can be detected by simply understanding and identifying your DNA. Now, what exactly is DNA? There are three different types of DNA tests that happen in and around us. Precisely, the first one is forensic DNA test, but that is not relevant to us. That is for the governmental authorities, the official agencies where they look into criminal investigations, identity, paternity, and they are taken care of by the government investigation agencies. Clinical DNA is the other parameter, the second parameter that we understand comes in advanced healthcare management. That is especially prescription tests, and that also you and I cannot avail unless we have been asked specifically to do it. And what is the kind of costs involved? If I can share an example, a simple gene 9 test to understand if chemotherapy radiation treatment is going to help somebody with lung cancer will cost you, just one gene test will cost you anything between 70,000 to 90,000 rupees once in a lifetime, one time, to understand if a medicine is going to work for that individual. That is how expensive the medically, clinically prescribed genetic tests can be. But today I'm here to talk to you about wellness DNA test. That is precisely what we do. It is all to do with your food, with your nutrition, with your exercise regime, with your lifestyle modifications. Why? To stay healthy tomorrow. Well, friends, let's talk about living a healthy life of 100 plus years. These wellness genetic tests are very, very popularly known. And if you want, you can look up Google for much more than just the four articles that I have put up here. Amir Khan, precisely in his Gajni and Dangal, if you see his body transformation, he has used these customized diet programs which suit his DNA and transformed his body from young to older looking, aged looking, and back to his young and fit body today. Nestle is using DNA to create personalized diet charts in Japan. Campbell Ventures is into nutrigenomics, and it is delivering habit meal kits to doorsteps across the world. Again, Google says humans could live for 500 years and is investing in firms hoping to extend our lives fivefold. Simple companies like Olay, which is very popular among women, they are using DNA profiling and paving a way into personalized beauty. And with reference to the regulations in India, well, in July 2019, the Lok Sabha has taken a regulation bill into consideration, and it may be passed at any time, which is referenced with reference to the DNA technology, the use and application. Well, friends, that is how Velocity Booster collaborated with Velocity Genetics, and they are the pioneers and market leaders in nutrigenomics in India. And we are precisely into predictive genetic sequencing. Of course, we also create mass wellness genomic awareness through Vignet. Well, if it is a company, it has to have a corporate vision and a mission. It is simply so that we aspire to make a difference in each and every individual's life that we come in contact with. And talking about mission of reaching 1 crore by 2025, my mission is just to reach one step, 100 people till the end of 2021, December 31st, just 100 people in and around my lives. And each one of you, if you can do that, we are at least 50 plus here, and it will be much, much easier for us to reach that mission of 1 crore people, touching lives individually on a one-to-one basis. The basic corporate philosophy of Velocity Booster is derived precisely from what Hippocrates and Thomas Edison has to say. It is food as medicine every day. Again, why? Because we are talking about holistic well-being. So what is it that we require? What is it that I and you need today? We need good nutrition. We need alkaline water. We need fresh air. We need appropriate exercise and an ideal lifestyle. So in simple words, I say, jo khana, jo pani, jo hawa, जो एक्सरसाइज और जो मेरे लाइफस्टाइल के हैबिट्स हैं, रहना, सोना, उठना, टाइम, वो सभी कुछ जो मेरे शरीर को सूट कर सके, that is precisely what all of us need today. And this is possible with this disruptive technology, which is called the science of nutrigenomics. इससे क्या होता है, इसका हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपने शरीर को सूट करने वाला डाइट, एक्सरसाइज, पानी जानने के लिए, एंड दैट इज प्रिसाइसली व्हाट हेल्प्स टू कीप अस हेल्दी. It is also useful not just to stay healthy but also to prevent or treat diseases in the long run and stay safe and healthy. So ये क्या है? How do you do it? What do you do? How do you get it? You simply get a kit that comes from Canada, जिसमें हम अपना DNA saliva sample देते हैं और within 21 working days आपके पास एक 250 पेज का डिटेल्ड 210 जीन्स कवर करने वाला रिपोर्ट आ जाएगा, which will be your individual personalized report. Once the report comes, you will be connected with a trained nutrigenomic wellness consultant who will then make you understand your report, understand your lifestyle, understand your health goals or health challenges, and give you a simple gene based action plan. I will give you my examples in the upcoming slides and tell you what is simple action plan ka meaning. And yes, once you get this, you can expect your life, healthcare in your own life to take a 360-degree change and transformation towards good, and there's no looking back. Well, friends, you also can stay connected with the company for a period of 1 year through the help desk and get back to the genetic counselor any point of time you have a challenge within that 1 year. And yes, there is a free gene banking facility included in the whole program that we have, जिसमें अगर आगे चल के अगले 6 साल में अपग्रेडेड टेस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं अदर देन द 210 अवेलेबल टुडे, यू विल बी एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ एंड गेट अ रिपोर्ट फॉर योरसेल्फ जस्ट एट अ नॉमिनल चार्ज ऑफ द लैब. एंड 210 टेस्ट बहुत होते हैं. ये क्या है? दीज आर जेनेटिक टेस्ट डन फॉर वेलनेस, एंड अगर आप ये 210 करने जाओ इन एनी ऑर्डिनरी पैथोलॉजी लैब, हाई एंड लैब लगते हैं, सारे लैब सारे टेस्ट नहीं करते, इट वुड कॉस्ट यू नथिंग लेस देन 2.5 to 3 lakhs. That is the kind of costing for actually medically prescribed tests. Now, these 210 tests are covered under 18 broad parameters. You can see the list on the screen. I will not get into details. The first parameter is to do with nutritional deficiency risk, where we cover 24 genes. The next parameter is food intolerances and allergies, where we covered 10 genes. The next is dermatology, skin, our biggest organ in our body, our protector, and we all love to have beautiful, healthy, young looking skin all the time. So 12 dermatology genetic tests. We cover weight management, 11 genetic tests. We cover diabetes management, 18 genetic tests. We cover thyroid health, where we cover 6 genetic tests. Cardiac health is 13 genetic tests. We have organ health other than heart and thyroid. We have rest of the body, other organs, where we cover 13 genetic tests. With reference to kidney and kidney related diseases, we cover 5 genetic tests. Inflammatory diseases, we cover 8 genetic tests. Friends, remember, inflammation is related to our immunity. The more the inflammation tendency, the lesser our immunity. Well, after that, we also cover neurological health, where we cover 25 different genetic tests. Next comes the eating disorders and addiction risk, where we cover 12 genetic tests. And of course, men and women included, we cover 4 each genetic test depending on the gender. Well, we also talk about staying young, staying healthy, and we talk about anti-aging. So we do talk about DNA damage and biological aging, 2 genetic tests covered. And after all this, if you're still sick and you are having challenges with medications, then we also have 8 tests for common medications used under the drug response. So you know which is the right medication for you, what suits you, what may need a change, so you can get back to your doctor and get it modified and tend to get more healthier. Because we all believe, अगर मैं बीमार हूँ, मुझे दवाइयाँ लेनी है और दवाइयाँ लेके ही मैं ठीक होने वाला हूँ. So that is a big norm that we need to change in our lives? Well, friends, our body is about 70% diet and 30% workout. So if you think I covered everything related to diet, then the next parameter is the one of the biggest parameter that we covered, which is with reference to your fitness and injury risk. Here we cover 27 different genetic tests. Of course, there are a lot of things, like I said, mentioned about lifestyle. We talk about sleep patterns, we talk about the circadian rhythm, we talk about associated traits, where we cover 5 genetic tests. And last but not the least is the immunology genetics, where again we talk about oxidative stress, antioxidants, sunscreen, pollution, detoxification, etc., etc., etc. These are 7 genetic tests. So totally, friends, in one simple 2 cc of saliva sample, we cover 210 genetic tests, जिसका report, like I said, will reach you in 30 days. 1 calendar month के अंदर अंदर आपके पास इसका रिपोर्ट आ जाता है. But if you still feel that I just want to take care of few parameters and I don't want to do everything that is mentioned out here, well, our body is total holistic. You can't separate one system or one organ or one disease from any other part of your body, but we still have options of targeted programs, where the first of the targeted program is diabetes management, where 50 genetic tests or phenotypes are covered. The second is cardiac management, in which we cover 44 phenotypes or genes. The third is targeted weight management, where we cover 56 phenotypes. And all these three are basically the top 3 killers, we can say, not just in India, but globally. Well, how can we forget the women of the house? Okay, they are the backbone of any family, and today they are also taking big strides in the corporate world. So behind every successful man there is a woman, and behind every good household there is a woman. So we have a very special targeted healthy woman profile, where we cover 39 phenotypes or genes, especially to take care of women's special needs and requirements. Well, friends, बच्चे भगवान होते हैं, एंड बच्चों के लिए आप और मैं कुछ भी करेंगे, अपने बच्चों के लिए किसी भी हद तक जाएंगे, टू नो दैट दे वोंट हैव एडिक्शंस इन फ्यूचर, टू नो दैट दे विल स्टे हेल्दी, दे विल रिमेन एक्टिव, वो लोग सही सही खाना खाएं, वो लोग फिट रहें, इंटेलिजेंट रहें. सो वी हैव दिस लास्ट टारगेटेड प्रोफाइल, विच इज स्मार्ट किड्स, वेयर वी कवर child kids related 32 important phenotypes or genes. वेल फ्रेंड्स, ये सब देते देते और लोगों को बताते बताते वी हैव वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुली स्टेप्ड इनटू द 5th ईयर ऑफ वेलोसिटी बूस्टर जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग in India, and we have a whole gamut of valued patrons with us, who believe in us, who trusted in us, and who have supported what we have been doing by going through these tests in their lives. And today we very proudly say that we have touched over 10,000 satisfied customers' lives pan India. And not just pan India, these are our own Indians across 20 countries. Few testimonials which I can share with you is as simple as you can see for yourself. Before genetic testing, Urmila Marco of Mandala, and after genetic testing, we sometimes don't realize what is the root cause of any problem. And once you understand or realize, you can tackle the deficiencies, the excesses, the intolerances, and this is the short period में miraculous change that can come into your lives. Something which doctors may say, ये हील नहीं हो सकता, ये ऐसे ही रहने वाला है, इसको आप कुछ भी कर लो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बट देयर आर चांसेस इन होलिस्टिक वेलनेस थ्रू जेनेटिक डायग्नोस्टिक्स एंड द साइंस ऑफ न्यूट्रीजेनोमिक्स कि आपको डेफिनेटली किसी न किसी प्रकार से जल्द फर्क पड़ेगा. Why? Because we are able to place our fingers on the root cause कि ये किस कारण से हो रहा है, which may not be so much possible with the healthcare and the medical industry today. Well, SOS emergency treatments में हमें सिर्फ अपना traditional healthcare industry only can help you. So don't think कि अभी मुझे heart attack आया और मैं कल genetic test करूँगा. Friends, beware, you cannot do that. You have to do it जब आप heart attack से recover होके घर आ गए, तब आगे और बीमार नहीं पड़ने के लिए और एक heart attack नहीं होने के लिए आपको इस test का और इस science का इस्तेमाल अपनी जिंदगी में करना है. Yes, this is results with alopecia, hair fall. This also can be genetic. This can be due to water, due to food, due to so many other reasons. But this is the kind of results that this young man from MP got in 6 months. It always, I say, it is about aging gracefully, looking good, looking better, feeling healthier, feeling younger, and staying energetic to be able to help somebody else develop their lives better. This is our executive director, and he came across a lot of challenges before the genetic program was introduced to him. And after that, he has been able to stay much more fit, healthy, energetic, and he is a big visionary for getting this reaching to each and every individual across the globe, person by person, individual by individual. And well, friends, like I said, I will tell you my testimonials. I became a diabetic at the age of 23. My mother has been a diabetic at the age of 23. Today, I have a daughter of 21. She is studying in Canada. 3 years say she's away from me, and I do not want her to get diabetic at the age of 23. So precisely her 18th birthday gift was the genetic test. I got it done for her. She was on the verge in next couple of 2 months to 3 months going to Canada and for her further education for a minimum of 4 years. And that is when I gave her her action plan, her needs, her requirements through this action, gene-based action plan, which she is following today, to ensure that it will give me as a parent the biggest satisfaction that my daughter will not become a diabetic at the age of 23. Like I said, she's 21 today. 2 more years to go. I don't mind if she becomes diabetic after the age of 60, but at 23, I don't think it is worth anybody getting into diabetes. So if you have a strong family history, think about it. Don't think about yourselves. I will not force you. Think about your children. That is, you are doing everything for their स्टेइंग कंफर्टेबल फॉर देयर जिद जो वो करते हैं, उनको पढ़ाई के लिए हम अच्छा से अच्छा करते हैं, अच्छे से अच्छे कपड़े पहनाते हैं. Why not taking care of their tomorrow of healthcare? Second example, again, you might say it is diabetes related, but let me tell you how fast the science of nutrigenomics and the action plan works in your life. My husband has been a high triglycerides cholesterol person, not really a cardiac patient, but he is one step below it. He can get into cardiac issues anytime. So I did his genetic test 2 years ago, and from there, that time, he has been able to control his, of course, medicines are there. He's 50 plus, so sometimes doctors don't allow you to stop medicines. So he is under total control with the same negligible minimal medicines once a day in the morning. But exactly on the 25th of May, he was in Mumbai with me. He had a urinary tract infection, and that infection, when we went to the doctor, he said, "आप तो diabetic हो, आपको diabetes, high sugar है, आपको check कराना ही है." He said, "No, I have not been diabetic." Though we knew, when I came back and I saw his genetic report, there was a high risk to diabetes. And then when I checked back with his family, with my in-laws, I realized my father-in-law was also a diabetic. But then again, it was old age diabetes, so we did not bother much. His reports, when we went and did the same day, his sugar levels were 300 fasting and 500 post lunch with a glyco HB. For those who understand the reports and values, his glyco HB was 12.5. That means an average sugar every single day of 300 plus all through the day floating in his blood. It is so dangerous. This man sleeps at 9:30, has very minimal, just salads or maybe just an omelette in the night. He is used to getting up at 5:30 in the morning, going for his 5 kilometer walk every single day, and he still had sugar levels so high suddenly coming up, and it got detected only because of a minor infection. Well, friends, the doctor did start medications and said, "Jaake apne dietitian se milo. It is compulsory." I pulled out the reports. I went back to the dietitian, our nutrigenomic counselor. She is like a family member to us. They have created that kind of relation because we trust them beyond ourselves, and they know more about how we can take care of ourselves. She just made a minor change. We stopped his lactose and his caffeine because he was intolerant to both. We started him with green tea, and a simple change of he is not gluten intolerant, but his chapatis, wheat chapatis, we reduced to 3 times a week and replaced it with jowar or bajra chapatis. It was very convenient to adapt that lifestyle. Lots of salads, and continue with the 5 kilometer walk. The doctor prescribed his medicines. He said within a week you have to go and check your sugars so that I know if the medicines are being useful. And on the 31st of May, we redid his blood test. You won't believe, friends, I'm in healthcare for 20 plus years. I haven't seen such miraculous results, but the science of nutrigenomics worked very well on him. His sugar levels fasting came down to 98, and his post lunch came down to 104 in just 7 days, 1 week. I haven't seen in such a long career in healthcare, and also being a diabetic myself, the 300 ka sugar comes down to a normal sugar level of fasting 98 and pp of 104. Well, anyone wanting those test results, I can always give you the reports. I have them on my hand. Last but not the least, I am a corona survivor. Okay, I got corona exactly 3 months back, and for the last 1 month I have been haggard, totally thoroughly, not knowing what will happen to me. If people can see me, I have a bad red eye for the last 3 days. No idea how it happened. Allergic rhinitis, no idea why it is triggering, why it is coming up. I eat simple onion, kacha, pyaz in salad, and I'm starting to sneeze and having a running nose. बहुत सारे 3-4 doses of antibiotics post corona हो गए. But they all say that you have become extra sensitive because you have developed extra immunity. मेरे vitamins चालू हैं, मेरा vitamin D चालू है, मेरा vitamin C चालू है, मेरा zinc चालू है, मेरा curcumin चालू है, मेरा eye booster भी intermittently chalu hai. I don't take it every day because I'm also so tired of so many vitamins and minerals. But friends, 2 days back I had a recounseling with the genetic counselor, and she said, why don't you try including CoQ10 or include, I said, I have a Sebucthon in my house, will that help? She said, you can give it a try, but even Sebucthon is good. Friends, 2 days, till yesterday, I did not know with medications, with eye drops, with tablets, why my red eye wouldn't subside down. 2 days on Sebucthon, the very first day by evening, my running nose, my allergic rhinitis miraculously reduced. Now I don't have a running nose, okay? And I'm so happy about it because I was troubled by it for more than 1 month. And curcumin and Sebucthon together, my red eye today, the 4th day morning, it has automatically reduced. I don't deny there are medicines ongoing, but they were not helping me. This is the kind of simple testimonials of how the science of nutrigenomics gives you a much better understanding in your life. Well, friends, it is not only for you and for me. These were a few of my testimonials immediately in my life. But people who want to make it as a career, people who want to understand more, then the company is also into mass awareness and education through Vignet, that is Velocity Institute of Genomics, Nutrition and Entrepreneurship Training. What we do is we have regular ongoing something like medical education seminars happen. Similarly, we have SAGE, that is Sustained Accreditation of Genomic Education, which is continuous online genomic education for common people like you and me. 6 hours workshops, 8 workshops per year. So you just have to spend 3 hours a day online, sit and listen, and it will add a lot of value into your life of living better. We have finished with 6 seasons, and very soon we will have the national workshop on emerging trends of epigenetics. Season 7 coming up. It is open for all. Like I said, 6 hours intensive training from the subject matter experts and the people from the industry. Usually it happens over a Friday and a Saturday, 10 to 1 p.m. both days each, 10 to 1, and the fees is something like 2,118 plus GST, a cumulative of 2,500 rupees for education, super specialization, sitting in your house and being able to change your and your family's life. Well, friends, if you want to make it a career, then I call this as a super specialization, especially for nutritionists and dietitians and healthcare workers interested in the field. We have a 2-month certification course in nutrigenomics. Mind you, friends, nobody in India except Symbiosis has a MSc 2 years full time in nutrigenomics. Vignet is the only other institute which is doing certification courses in nutrigenomics. That too online, to people of all walks of life. The August batch, the registrations would be announced soon for the next batch, and they usually close very early. Why? Because it is very exclusive, only 20 people in a batch. 50 chapters, 2 assignments, online study, 16 hours webinar, that is 2 hours every week from the faculty, total backup support, and then it is at a negligible price of 6,771 plus GST, coming to less than 8,000. There might be revision in the courses because now I think we're going to have the 6th batch starting, and that is why there might be a revision in fees. So what are you waiting for? You know, anybody who wants to specialize and have a career, go ahead and refer them to Vignet, and you will change their lives and help them help you change your life. So friends, if you do think immunity still matters, let us simply follow what Hippocrates says: let food be thy medicine, and use food as medicine every single day. I invite each one of you, create your own story, be your own boss. This is what we say in the business world, but it is very relevant to you and to me and to every other individual, even for our health lives. अपनी सेहत अपनी मुट्ठी में कर लो. It is a very, very good morning from me and to everybody at Velocity Booster, because now is the time you have become aware and you can change your life and take the steps towards it. Why? Because God says you are unique. God says you're special. God says you're lovely. God says you're precious. God says you're strong. And God says you are chosen. Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience and listening to me very, very patiently. Over to you, Rovina ma'am.
Wow. Thank you so much, Dr. Ushaji. That was super mind-blowing. I mean, the way you came out with all the details. And I think most of all, I would say the best part of everything was the testimonials. When you go through something and you can छाती ठोक के बता सकते ये तो मेरे घर में हुआ था, ये देखो. I mean, nothing can beat that. You were superb. And you can make out, anybody would say it. You're so passionate about health and how to make everyone better, how to help people in being better and healthy human beings. Great. And when I was seeing your biodata,